Here are two pieces of stainless steel. Now I'll show you how to weld them. First, we should target 3 points at least to keep the pieces still. Okay, now let's weld them. As you can see, very stable, very steady. You can see the effect.